In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easy and fast using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says, what is the simplified form of minus in bracket 3x plus 5 bracket close to the power 2? So the very first thing we have to do will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So we say press the second button, then this plus button, go for option 7. Alright, press 1 to reset our and then press 2 and it will do that for you. Alright, it's done. Press this clear button. Now guys, we're going to store a number of which I highly recommend 2. We're going to store 2 on this calculator, which we are going to use to simplify this question and also use it to simplify the options to get our answer. So to store 2, press the value, to press the store button, look at X alphabet, want to store it as X, press this button, then press enter, and 2 will be stored as indicated here. We are good to go. So let's evaluate or simplify this question with a stored value. So the question is starting with negative sign. Always make use of this sign, this negative sign here when the question is starting with a negative sign. So we have minus in bracket 3x, okay, plus 5, close the bracket, square. Alright, so this is the square function. So that's it guys, we're good to go. Press enter. Minus 1 2 1. Alright, so right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us minus 1 to 1 will be the answer to this question. So let's begin with option J. Alright, so option J, we have it to be minus. Again, it starts with negative sign, so make use of this button. Minus 39, okay, s square. Alright, minus 25. So let's press enter. No, we got minus 1 to 1. Let's check option I. So we have minus 9x square, okay, minus 30x minus 25. So that's it guys. Let's press enter and see the output. Exactly, minus 1 to 1. So the correct option is what? Option I. This is basically how you can solve this kind of problem using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's quit the video here guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, don't forget to reset your calculator. Once you are done, just press second, this plus button, press 7, press 1 and press 2 and it will do that for you. Alright, now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.